Guys, today I will be showing you how to make shortbread cookies in the comfort of your home, guys. So this is the butter I'm using. This is 350 grams of butter that I'm using here, guys. So after adding it into a bowl, make sure you turn it very well, mix it very well, let everything mix together. This is icy sugar. You can make use of sugar. I make use of 100 grams of icy sugar, guys. So guys, after adding the sugar, make sure you mix it very well, turn it so that everything will mix very well. So this is Horchata, guys. This is vanilla. Add a spoon of vanilla into it. If you like vanilla, you can add any aroma you like, you can add also. So after adding it, I have to mix it together. As you can see on this video, mix it very well. If you are using sugar, either icy sugar. This is flour. I make use of 4 cups of flour, so I add it a little by little, as you can see on this video. This is 50 grams of corn flour, guys. I add it inside, so you can make use of corn flour. If you don't want, don't use it. It's optional, guys. So after adding it, I have to mix it together. This recipe doesn't need milk, it doesn't need water. Okay, guys, you are using only the butter you mix to do this recipe, guys. Don't go and put water, don't go and put milk. So the flour, guys, I'm adding it a little by little, as you can see on this video. So make sure you turn it like this, the way I'm doing it. You have to use your hand and match it together like this. So when you are matching it, the thing will be like this. It will not be drawing, no. If your O is drawing, that is not shortcake bread. So shortcake bread cookies, this is how you do it, guys. So this recipe is actually my first time of doing it, but it really comes out very, very well, very, very crunchy, very, very yummy, guys. Oh my god, this English, my people, I'm gonna manage. As you are seeing me doing like this, guys, if you are doing yours, make sure you do it like 4 times before rolling it together, guys, as you can see on this video. Guys, it's time for me to put it inside a lalo. That is why I'm rolling it like this. I cut it into 2, so as you can see. So this is the lalo. I will put it inside and put it inside the fridge, guys. So guys, when you are done rolling it, keep it inside your freezer for 30 minutes. 30 minutes, guys. After 30 minutes, we are back. As you can see on this video, it's time for us to roll it and cut it to the shape that we want, guys. So after putting it here, I have to use another lalo to cover it, because it's not the regular this thing you do, so that it will not gum or scatter. This is how I cut it, guys. So after cutting it, oh my god, to remove it on top of this thing was a huge work for me, guys. As you can see on this video, this shape was really nice here. For me to remove it was very difficult, but for my next rolling, I have to change the pattern, guys. So this one, I added lalo under, put the dough the center and roll it. So this one, it was very easy for me to remove after cutting it, guys. So anything you are doing in this life, you have to use your akomuche, use your sense and do it. This is what I did here, guys. I put the lalo under. After doing it, I have to cut it to the shape I want. This one really comes out well, really easy for me to use. Very, very easy. Next time, if I want to make cookies, I will do it like this without no stress. So guys, if you are going to do yours, make sure you add lalo like this under, so that you can raise it and turn it before doing it. Just take a look. Removing it was very easy, guys. You can see that. So guys, this is how I do it. So it's time for me to put the normal hole that they put for biscuit cookies. So I use my spoon and put the hole inside, as you can see on this video. Wow, it is ready. It's time for oven, guys. It's time to bake, guys. Bake it for like 15 to 20 minutes depending on your oven, guys. This is it, guys. This is it. This is it. It's ready. So yummy and delicious, guys. Like and share this video. Follow for more.